Hello friends, welcome to this class. In this class, I'll be taking you on a rectangular array, how you can arrange object in a rectangular form. In the last class, I took you on polar array and I showed you how you can arrange object in a circular form. Okay. Now, for the purpose of this class, let's assume this is a hall and let's assume this is a fluorescent lamp. And then I want to arrange this fluorescent lamp evenly across this hall. Now, watch how I'll do it using rectangular array. I'll go to rectangular array and I go to array, sorry, and click on rectangular array. And then I'll select the object I want to array, which is this fluorescent. I click on it, hit enter. And then AutoCAD will now preview it, giving me 4 columns and 3 rows. Now, but because the hall is big, I want the columns each I want the columns to be 10 and I want to maintain the rows and I want the distance I want the distance between each lamp in the columns to be let's say 165 enter. And then let me also arrange the distance between each of the lamps in the rows. Let me make it say 240. Okay. So the next thing I needed to do now is to use move to now put it to be in the position I want it to be. So you see, I've arranged this. I've created lamps in a rectangular form and I arranged it evenly across the hall using a rectangular array. Now, assuming I want to do the same thing, and the lamp this time is a circular lamp, a circular fitting. I can still go to this time. Let me go from modify. I can still go to array, pick rectangular array, select the object which is this lamp, hit enter. AutoCAD will still give me a preview of the lamp. Let's say I want the row to be 10 this time as well, and the column to be 4. Sorry, I want the column to be 10 and the rows to be 4. Then let's change the spacing. So the column spacing, let me make it 170. And the rows spacing, let me also make it 170. Okay. So like I did earlier, let me also go to move and then just move it and centralize it. So I've also used polar rectangular array, sorry, to arrange this lighting fitting in a rectangular form across the hall. It can be fan, it can be it can also be seats. Okay, so you can practice. You can use any other. You can use something like a chair. Just try it again and again, and you master it. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section.